Minnie, what are you doing? Why do you have a plastic bag? Are you going shopping? You got a shopping bag around your neck. Oh. That was a epic fail. That was funny. Epic fail. Minnie going shopping with the plastic bag around your neck? Why do you have a bag around your neck? Minnie, did you try and get in the bag and you got stuck? Minnie, what's Oscar doing? That's what you get for liking plastic bags. Oh, that's a box. Do you want me to take that plastic bag off of you? Or do you want to keep it? How about if I take it back? God. How did you even get it on there? I can't get it off. Oscar, what are you doing? Don't try and shag the cat. Oh, finally. Oh, there you go, Minnie. All good.